We have a company called LI CHENG Biotechnology. LI CHENG is a food production manufacturer with decades of experience, and they are certified by the FDA and also have halal as well as HACCP certification. They are a specializing company in producing ingredients for bubble tea. So their products include tapioca pearls, popping juice pearls, milk tea powder, matcha, green tea powder, as well as crystal jelly and syrup. So in the session today, we'll hear about how do you make bubble tea DIY. So tell us a little bit more, Dina.
There are more convenience to make bubble tea. Open one bag of instant tapioca pearls, boil boiling water in a Boba, just waiting 3 minutes.
So we'll hear about how to make bubble tea in just 3 minutes. But in the meantime, Dina, tell us more about the features of the DIY bubble tea.
Yes, this item have 4 features. Number 1, just keep it in room temperature storage. Number 2, it's shelf life 1 year. Number 3, convenience. You can make bubble tea at anywhere, anytime. Number 4, the taste QQ. Truly as same as G-Shop offered.
Wow, it sounds really convenient and also simple to do. But also aside from the DIY bubble tea kit, you also have the DIY popping boba juice beverage.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more. What is popping boba?
In the popping boba DIY beverage, just open one bag of juice syrup with pop. And open 1 can of popping boba. Then add tea water, ice cube, fresh cream, and have some popping boba for topping. It's done.
Wow.
It's very convenient to have a wonderful juice very quickly.
So we see that the popping boba juice drink is already ready. I believe this is strawberry flavor.
Yes.
So this is the DIY bubble tea.
Yes.
Wow, my first time trying. The tapioca pearl is very chewy, and the aroma of the milk tea is delicious. I love how flavorful it is, and it goes really well with the tapioca balls. Thank you, Dina, once again, and thank you, everyone.